Major update in a case that we have been following for quite a while now. Was Doug Woodell the actual target of a July 4th mass shooting? City prosecutors say they have no evidence to support that claim, while the city's police chief is defending himself and his department.
Richmond reporter Henry Graff was in that courtroom earlier today and spoke with the chief just a couple of hours ago. He joins us live at police headquarters, and it seems the prosecutor and police saying two different things here, Henry.
Kirk, good evening. Yeah, that's what we're hearing right now. The police chief really deflecting today on the details around Doug Woodell, but also doubling down on his belief that the police officers here at the Richmond Police Department were able to stop a mass shooting plot from happening on the 4th of July before it happened.
The circumstances of what's going on the 4th of July, and you'd be hard-pressed to come up with another location besides the Doug Woodell.
The chief of police defending his assertion two men from Guatemala were planning a mass shooting on the 4th of July in Richmond.
The questions about Doug Woodell, you have an excellent police department that knows its job and knows what it's doing and took everything in all totality and the circumstances into account, and on all probability the target was the Doug Woodell.
Days after the 4th, Chief Gerald Smith, the mayor and city councilors stood before cameras detailing a thwarted alleged plot to shoot up a celebration at Doug Woodell. Questions quickly emerged asking why event organizers were never told, nor police working it.
Just a high probability of that would be it. It is Richmond, 4th of July celebration. It's at the Doug Woodell. Okay, that's what our officers did.
Both suspects were in court Wednesday, where prosecutors told Judge David Hicks they had evidence of a mass shooting, but not at any specific location. The judge had two children at the Doug Woodell event that night.
Does the Commonwealth have information that either of these individuals were involved in something that could potentially have affected Doug Woodell on the 4th of July, where I've advised you that my children were present, because I need to know that before I can determine whether or not I can hear anything else on this matter. What would be your statement to that, Mr. C?
No.
No.
I don't.
The local charges were dropped and still neither face any charges connected to a mass shooting. But both have been indicted by a federal grand jury, one for illegal re-entry, the other on a firearm charge. Julio Alvarado Dubon and Roman Balacarcel were facing one count each of being a non-U.S. citizen in possession of a handgun. Their attorneys now hoping more evidence will come to light at the federal level.
Because they've dropped it in a pretty quick manner, we haven't really gotten to see all the evidence that they might have.
Back out here live, I also asked the mayor today while he was standing next to the police chief if he still had confidence in the police chief to carry out his job here in the city of Richmond. The mayor telling me he still supports Chief Smith here in Richmond, as well as the men and women who serve inside this department. We are live and on your side tonight here in downtown Richmond. I'm Henry Graff, NBC 12 News.
All right, Henry, quite a few interesting developments there. Thank you.